how to log into your Ibotta account step by step. So first of all, open the Ibotta application. Then from here, what are we going to do is simply tap on the login option that you'll be able to see right here. So after doing that, we'll actually be getting into our login page. From here, you can see this is the particular login page that we'll be able to get in. In here, all you need to do is add in the email address of your account and the password of your account. Then from there, all you need to do is tap on login, and just like this, you will be successfully be able to log into your account. But in case if you have used any of those platforms in order to log into your account, then you can simply tap on any of those platforms and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to sign in or log in to your account using those platforms. So like I said, all you need to do is add in your email address and password, then tap on login, and like that you'll be able to log into your account. In case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on reset password, then go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset it, and that is it.